Hello guys, today I will talk about some channel updates. Since the last months were pretty rough, you haven't seen a lot of new videos, so the last one was like 6 months ago, and where I had some issues, so I switched my job and went from a software engineer to a network engineer, and I needed some time to adapt to a new job, so I didn't have that much time for new videos. Also, the website I created for the samples and tutorials got taken down for no real reason, and it got deleted. So the other thing was that I also lost the stuff on my PC because the PC broke. So I got demotivated heavily. But yeah, everything is fixed now. So the thing is, I got a new PC. The downside is it's pretty loud, so maybe you hear it in the background. But that's something you gotta live with in the new videos. I also saw that the channel grew up a bit, nevertheless, so I really appreciate you watching the videos. And I will try to become more active again. So to do that, I will try to upload 1 or 2 tutorials a week, or maybe more if I have time. But I also thought about including Unity3D videos here. So my goal is for you guys, or for people that are interested in making RPG Maker games, to understand a bit of programming and maybe transition to Unity3D and make the next step in game development, so you can really get something out of it for if you watch a video, so you maybe can transition to a Unity developer. So because the reason I include Unity3D is I like the RPG Maker, but I got some issues with it. So I think it's like, for a few examples, it's not good for team projects, or it has some limitations. So I don't have that many ideas left to show you, and sometimes the RPG Maker is also a bit annoying to handle. So I will keep on posting RPG Maker videos, but I will also post videos about transitioning to Unity3D, so that you can take your knowledge that you gained from the RPG Maker game development and maybe take it to Unity3D and maybe make a living out of it, or maybe get a job in that field, or getting interested in programming, or yeah, whatever. And the last thing I wanted to talk about is that I created a Discord channel where I will upload the samples and tutorials and make announcements and stuff, so feel free to join. I will leave a link in the description. And yeah, that's it for now. See ya.